Hey friends, in this video, I am going to let you know how to find Discord ID. Let's get into it. The process is very simple. Firstly, I am going to check ID from his profile icon. Here, you will not find any ID. To find it, all you have to do is simply click over the user settings from here, and from this left-sided menu, just find an advanced option. Click over it, and you can see the developers mode exposes contact menu items helpful for people with boats using the Discord API, and then, from over here, make sure that developer mode is turned on. Now click over the cross to close it. Again, go to the profile icon, and this time you will find the option to copy the user ID. Simply click over it, your ID is copied. And now you just left click here and then click on paste. Here is your ID. So, this is the simplest way to find your Discord ID. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.